Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. Today's video is all about fenugreek water that is used for hair growth. Add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed into a bowl. I'm going to be making use of half cup of water. After you must have added water, kindly cover it and allow to soak for 12 hours. I usually like to soak this in the night in order for me to make use of it in the morning. Fenugreek water contains a lot of nutrients like vitamin A, folic acid and protein. It reduces hair breakage and promotes healthy scalp. After about 12 hours, you are expected to sieve it in order to get the water. I'm going to be adding it into a container that will make it easier for me to spray it on the hair. You can actually freeze this water for future use. All you need to do is to spray it on a clean hair and cover the hair. Fenugreek water can be used as a leave conditioner. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.